Timken Commercial Vehicle Hub Assemblies Installation Procedure. We recommend following these warnings to help promote safe installation and operation. Step 1. Clean and inspect the spindle. Use a fine file or emery cloth to remove all burrs by hand on the threads and seal seat. Lubricate the spindle to prevent galling and corrosion prior to installing the hub assembly. Remove the inboard shipping plug from the hub assembly. Lubricate the bearings and seal inner diameter with the same lubricant that will be used in the hub assembly. The ready-to-install hub assembly comes complete with the bearings, spacer, and seal assembled in the hub. Slide the hub onto the spindle, being careful not to damage the seal. After installing the hub assembly, remove the outboard shipping cap from the front of the hub by removing the fasteners on the steer or trailer hub, or twist the shipping cap counterclockwise to unlock it from the axle drive studs on the drive hubs. If you are installing a pre-adjusted or preset hub with a bearing spacer, install the axle retaining nut onto the spindle and torque the retaining nut to a minimum of 300 foot-pounds, or follow the axle nut manufacturer's torque specifications. Next, install the locking clip. If the locking clip will not engage, tighten the nut until it aligns. For steer and trailer hub assemblies, install the hubcap, then fill with oil to the level indicated on the hubcap. Double check the fill plug, if equipped, to ensure it is torqued to 25 to 30 foot-pounds. For drive hub assemblies, install the axle shaft and torque the retaining bolts to the manufacturer's specification prior to adding oil to the hub assembly. After removing the hub fill plug, add 1 quart of differential oil to each wheel hub prior to filling the differential to the correct oil level. Lastly, double check the fill plug to ensure it is torqued to 35 to 40 foot-pounds. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit timken.com/aftermarket.